Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. So if you're on the Google homepage, you can go to the top right hand corner. There's a little grid. Okay, you can click onto that little grid, and then what you can do is you can find Google Sheets. There it is. I'll click onto Google Sheets. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just go to a blank spreadsheet. And now let's just say I want to merge these three cells together. Okay, all you need to do is select the three cells, go to Format, and there you'll be able to see Merge Cells. And what you can do is merge all, merge vertically, but I don't have any vertical cells selected, so I have to merge them horizontally. But I'm just going to click on to Merge All, and now you can see if I start typing in here, you can see it is acting as one cell. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.